So I'll be showing you how to use the floating keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. So if you want a floating keyboard, then you simply open up your Samsung keyboard. So it could be in a text message or when you're writing a document or whatever. As long as the keyboard is open, from the menu at the top of your keyboard, you will see these three dots here. So tap on those and then you should see modes. Tap on that and then you should see floating keyboard. And if you tap on that, that brings up the floating keyboard. So now on this floating keyboard, you can just move it exactly where you want. Okay, so if you want it lower or higher, you can just place it exactly where you want. To revert back to the original keyboard, just tap on the three dots again, and then select modes, and then go back to standard keyboard. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.